Hi, welcome everyone to this episode, the November episode of Exits through IPOs. So, in the month of November, we had two DRHP filings. The first company is a company called SEDEMAC. So, SEDEMAC does some interesting stuff around designing and manufacturing components, primarily electronic control units, motor controllers, etc., for the automotive segment, which are like two-wheelers, three-wheelers, both IC engine and uh, your electric vehicles per se. The interesting thing about this company, like even before they filed their DRHP, like almost for last 3-4 years since 22, they conduct 6 monthly analyst calls the way like a listed company would do 3 monthly or quarterly investor calls. They have been doing it for prospective investors since last 3-4 years. I think this is a great thing. Like as a company is preparing for their IPO, a lot of companies that are going on part two public, they should go. We tell this to our portfolio companies as well. The other interesting fact is that this is a company which came out of IIT Bombay. This is a company which was founded there in 2008 or so. Here on the cap table, you have folks such as A91, the NRJN Family Trust, Xponentia, then you have 361 and so on. Here, the entire issue size is of about 1,000 crores, and this is completely OFS at the estimated valuation of about 5,500 odd crores. The OFS component would come to about 1,000 odd crores, and within that, A91 is selling about 30%, Xponentia about 13%, 361 14%, and an NRJN 13%. The remaining folks are selling between 15 to 20%. In terms of the performance of this company has done in FY25 about 660 odd crores of revenue, growing at about 24-25%, EBITDA margins of about 125 crores, and PAT of about 47 crores. As a result of this strong performance, of course, the valuations, if they get this 5,500 odd crores, it's a valuation multiple of about price to sales of about 8.5 and price to earnings of about 120 or so. So that's SEDEMAC. The other company which is going the public path or has filed DRHP is a company called Manipal Payment Identity Solutions. So this is a company which most of you would have interacted indirectly on a day-to-day basis. So they are into printing of many of the government IDs that you use, or even the debit card, credit cards, the physical card, or the holograms that are printed on many of these cards. This is a company behind that. This is a company, they are in fact the largest producers of national ID cards in country, and wherein the cards that they would have manufactured is running in billion quantity per se. Here on the cap table, you have Touchstone, Nuvama, Amicus, India SME Investments and all. The IPO size is about 950 odd crores, out of which the fresh issue is about 400 odd crores. Here, the estimated valuation is 7,000 odd crores, and if so, the OFS component would be about 550 odd crores. This is completely a sale by the promoters, no investors are selling. And in terms of performance, they did in the last year about 1,250 odd crores of revenue and EBITDA margins of about 400 odd crores and a PAT of about 200 odd crores. So strong P&Ls. The only challenge is that growth has been very suboptimal, like sub 5% or so. So those are the two companies that are filing their DRHPs.